Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kum kajing persya ia ka Citizenship Amendment Bill bala menjur hapok ka yeng dorbar tauan jong ka Lok Sabha bat ka Raja Sabha ki samla puli jong ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya bat ka Regional Institute of Science and Technology ki la penlong da kajing sya tngan ka bala peteng haduk ka khat artarik unok pra arjar khat khandai ki samla puli jong kini ki artli ki skul ba ki badon ha ka thain Ribhoi district ki la pepru na ka jing lek tho examen jong ki syakini ki artli ki skul ba ha ka khat wei tarik unok pra arjar khat khandai bat ki la penlong da ka jing ya paj ba ban persya ya ka jing penlong an ya ka ni ka bil ka ba plelat ya ka jing long nong shong snong bapura ha ka ri India ya ki jaj mreu rit paj Hindu Sikh Kristan Buddhist Jain bat ki Parsi ki bawan nari Afghanistan Pakistan bat nari Bangladesh Hagani kajing syatngan lai simentaru dagi samla pule jong ki jaj reu lom na ki jilla ka thain stay lamingi jong gari India.
We are here to stage our protest against this bill. As you can see, we have started a rally yesterday and we marched through Guwahati. But this shouldn't stop and we will not stop until and unless the demand has been fulfilled that we don't want CAB and we oppose CAB. Yesterday the bill was passed and we urge the President not to give his assent to this bill because as you can see the entire northeast is burning. In Assam, our internet services were being shut down. Even the cable operators have stopped giving access to television and the situation is completely chaos in Assam. Curfew was imposed. So I would like to request from here to the President that please do not give assent to this bill because it's for our future and we will fight, we'll continue to fight for our existence.
We, the students of USTM, University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, we have gathered here for a hunger strike right now. And this is for the CAP, Citizen Amendment Bill, which had been passed yesterday. Yesterday we protested so much, but then the bill got passed. So we couldn't do anything. And since it has been passed right now, so we are in a hunger strike right now. And then we just request the President of India not to appeal this bill. It's a humble request from all of us. Please, President of India, don't sign the bill and save Northeast since it's burning everywhere. So please support us. We are also a part of India, so just help us in this.
Anga saksa atsukwa ni na USTM aro ni student nga ni na tsinga ya CAB ko ra kata ko na mutcha aro je gala maina what's in the future na mongja aro chini identity aro culture na mongja ni ya ko permanently withdraw kara nga central ni na minister ra ya san na kanan le
Gila protes dan ya kini Citizenship Amendment Bill daga bangi syatngan lalu benar sedap nama kumbang itu baru apa kini bill kada pas na Raja Sabha kesak serta bangun sign Presiden bahkan salong anyo syat but apa notis berapa itu muncul dalam dengan request Presiden juga India Sabha ulam sign dari kini bill memperkatakan tentang kini cepat saya sebuah notis
ini kunci student snapo ke USTM nyawan ini banyak protes dengan CAB nomor ba kalau bakta ini kami bakta kan ya ini ki Meghalaya ni bakta berapa itu ya ini baru kita ini yang baru student sebenarnya kabuk kejumut ini begini sampai strike oke nampak bertransfer lihat sekarang untuk kami kami ini gawe bahmi juga untuk serkar kami kaba ke eru ndai bidang ba kumno bakunyo mantam ibnu nabar bakunyo banbat kabor gawe ini ba mungkin ba kami bakunyo pat rupi kabor bakunyo pat di Islam nomor bersenra ini ibnu nabar ini yang tang kata ka political party kabor nabar
ni mentah na ini naik yang nomor ba parlimen la pas kini ka bill bat nakar paru yang Presiden dari India kemudian kami ka veto power dan perkara lang ini kirit pa ini pon is ada kini ka bill kalau an kata ini abro yang mantap ya ka yok god yang kajal berdiri barok